Welcome to Channel English 3 months. In this video, we are going to learn about effective ways to learn English grammar in 1 month. Let's get started. Effective ways to learn English grammar in 1 month. English grammar is the backbone of effective communication in the language. While learning it in just 1 month is ambitious, it is achievable with dedication, the right strategies, and consistent practice. This guide will provide a structured approach to mastering English grammar in a short time. Table of contents. Number 1. Understanding the basics of English grammar. Number 2. Creating a study plan for 1 month. Number 3. Using the right learning resources. Number 4. Grammar rules you must master. Number 5. Practical exercises for daily improvement. Number 6. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Number 7. Using technology to enhance learning. Number 8. Engaging in conversations and writing practice. Number 9. Testing your grammar knowledge. Number 10. Final tips for retaining grammar knowledge. Number 1. Understanding the basics of English grammar before diving deep into grammar rules. It is important to understand the fundamental components of grammar. Parts of speech. English grammar consists of 8 parts of speech: nouns, names of people, places, things, or ideas. For example, book, teacher. Happiness, pronouns, words that replace nouns. For example, he, she, they. Verbs, action or state of being. Words, for example, run, is, were. Adjectives, words that describe nouns. For example, beautiful, small, intelligent. Adverbs, words that modify verbs. Adjectives or other adverbs. For example, quickly, very. Well. Prepositions, words that show relationships between a noun or pronoun and another word. For example, in, on, under. Conjunctions, words that connect words, phrases, or clauses. For example, and, but, because. Interjections, words that express strong emotions. For example, wow, oh, ouch. Sentence structure. A well-formed sentence must have: Number 1. A subject, who or what the sentence is about. Number 2. A verb, the action or state of being. Number 3. An object, optional, the receiver of the action. Examples: simple sentence, she reads books. Compound sentence, she reads books and he writes stories. Complex sentence, although she was tired, she continued studying. Number 2. Creating a study plan for 1 month. A structured plan will help you cover all important grammar topics effectively. Week 1. Fundamentals of grammar. Day 1. Parts of speech. Day 2. Sentence, structure, simple, compound, complex. Day 3. Subject-verb, agreement. Day for noun and pronoun usage. Day 5. verb tenses, present, past, future. Day 6, adjectives and adverbs. Day 7, review and practice tests. Week 2, intermediate grammar. Day 8, prepositions and conjunctions. Day 9, active versus passive voice. Day 10, modal verbs, can, could, may, might, must. Day 11, articles, a, n, v. Day 12, conditional sentences, if clauses. Day 13, direct and indirect speech. Day 14, review and practice tests. Week 3, advanced grammar. Day 15, phrasal verbs. Day 16, gerunds and infinitives. Day 17, relative clauses. Day 18, sentence transformation. Day 19, common idioms and phrases. Day 20, formal versus informal. English. Day 21, review and writing practice. Week 4, intensive practice. Day 22, writing short paragraphs. Day 23, speaking practice with grammar focus. Day 24, common errors in grammar. Day 25, editing and proofreading practice. Day 26, grammar-based conversations. Day 27, mock grammar tests. Day 28, final review and assessment. Number 3, using the right learning resources to maximize your learning. Use diverse resources. Books, English Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. Practical English Usage by Michael Swan. Online platforms, Ramley, for grammar checking. BBC Learning, English, Cambridge, English Grammar. Apps, Duolingo, Hello, English, Link Q. Number 4, grammar rules. You must master mastering key. Grammar rules is crucial for fluency. Subject verb, agreement, correct. She plays the piano. Incorrect. She play the piano. Tense, consistency, correct. I went to the market yesterday. Incorrect. I go to the market yesterday. Proper use of articles, correct. I saw a dog in the park. Incorrect. I saw a dog in the park. Use of prepositions, correct. The book is on the table. Incorrect. The book is in the table. Number 5, practical exercises for daily improvement. Sentence correction. Rewrite incorrect sentences. Fill in the blanks. Complete sentences with the correct word. Speaking practice. Describe your day using proper grammar. Writing exercises. Write a short diary entry daily. Number 6, common mistakes and how to avoid them. Number 1, using there instead of there. Incorrect. There is a cat outside. Correct. There is a cat outside. Number 2, confusion between your and your. Incorrect. You're going to the party. Correct. You're going to the party. Number 3, incorrect word order. Incorrect. She always late is correct. She is always late. Number 7. Using technology to enhance learnings. Use Grammarly to check mistakes. Watch YouTube tutorials on grammar lessons. Join online forums like Quora and Reddit for discussions. Number 8. Engaging in conversations and writing practice. Conversation partners. Speak with native speakers. Writing practice. Start a blog or write essays. Grammar challenges. Join grammar quizzes online. Number 9. Testing your grammar knowledge. Take daily quizzes online. Solve past English grammar tests. Ask a friend to give you a test. Number 10. Final. Tips for retaining grammar knowledge. Practice daily. Consistency is key. Read English books and newspapers. Think in English. Try forming sentences in your mind. Speak without fear. Mistakes help you learn. Conclusion. Mastering English grammar in 1 month requires a structured approach, dedication, and constant practice. By following this guide, using the right resources, and practicing daily, you can significantly improve your grammar skills. Stay consistent, enjoy the learning process, and soon you'll see remarkable progress in your English proficiency. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is useful for you, please subscribe, like, comment, share. See you next video.